Oh man, broke his float. I don't think the drivers realize that when they have the chute up, it splashed. We're gonna have to wipe these pillars because he splashed all that. This one too. Ray, make sure we do that later. Come on guys, stop fighting. It's easy work. Hold on to the hook. No, right here is totally on the ground. You gotta be aggressive. Unless you like prison. Then don't worry about pulling the wire. I better feel this stuff over here. See what it's doing. It's bent a little bit. See what we got. It is doing a little something. It's just about perfect. Nothing crazy.